The story of vehicles, from wheels to wheels. Vehicles have changed a lot over time, evolving to help us travel faster and farther. Let's explore how vehicles have changed through history. 1. Early wheels. Long ago, people used simple tools, like wooden logs or stones, to roll heavy objects. This led to the invention of the wheel, which made it easier to move things around. 2. Horse and cart. The wheel was then attached to carts pulled by animals like horses. This allowed people to transport goods and travel longer distances. 3. Steam power. In the 18th century, steam-powered engines were invented. These engines were used to power trains and steamboats, revolutionizing transportation. 4. Automobiles. The late 19th century saw the invention of the automobile, or car, which was powered by gasoline engines. Cars made it possible for people to travel quickly and independently. 5. Modern vehicles. Today, vehicles come in all shapes and sizes, from cars and buses to airplanes and spacecraft. They are powered by various sources, including gasoline, electricity, and even the sun. The evolution of vehicles has transformed the way we live and travel, making the world a smaller and more connected place. Let's appreciate the ingenuity of inventors and engineers who continue to shape the future of transportation.